Yo, what's up guys, Boom Dice here. I just want to make a quick video that the CPU market is not looking good at all. So, with that being said, if your CPU is showing its age and it's not serving you well, then upgrade your CPU right now. By the way, I'm buying the Ryzen 9 5900X. I want to start mining with it. I'll try to get two CPUs, two Ryzen 9 5900X. So I believe especially Ethereum will move to proof of stake. Miners that use the GPU for mining, they will invest their money in the CPU market, especially that it's more secure, in my opinion. Also, this new cryptocurrency, Raptorium, it provides a very interesting features, especially this one, which is blocking the ASIC miners from mining this cryptocurrency, and this is the most crucial feature. I did not see any cryptocurrency that does this thing. Also, this cryptocurrency prevent the 51% double spend money flaw. So this is a very interesting cryptocurrency, and I am pretty sure that we will see very huge decrease in availability in the CPU market, especially the Ryzen CPUs. You can imagine like the Ryzen 9 5900X, it's like the 3080 right now. It's literally in MSRP. So like literally the profit of this CPU right now is about like $6 to $5, so it's insanely profit. I know in the future maybe it will decrease in profitability, but I don't think so. I'm pretty sure that the prices will go like 200% to 300% if everything went to right direction, because the ROI of the CPU right now is 4 months. It's 4 freaking months. Even if I'm talking with the additional accessories, including the motherboard and the RAM and the power supply. So I'm pretty sure, as I said, miners think this way. Oh, I got this CPU for mining. Okay, if the ROI is about a year, I'll buy it. Okay, in this case, the ROI is 4 months. I'm pretty sure that the price will increase like at least 100% in the near future. So upgrade right now, don't regret later. Bloom Dice here. Hope you enjoyed, hope you benefit, and goodbye.